He did not build a party for power, he built a movement for purpose. And in so doing, he helped shape a generation of leaders who believe that governance must be inclusive, reform-driven, and anchored in national unity. As a speaker for 5 terms, he transformed this institution, and under his leadership, the House became what it ought to be, a forum where every legislative district, every island, every province, every city had a voice at the table. He believed that the strength of the Republic was measured not by the dominance of a few, but by the participation of all. He was the father of the Rainbow Coalition, a phrase that will forever belong to him. But the Rainbow Coalition was not merely a political strategy. It was a philosophy of governance. It was the recognition that in a democracy as diverse as ours, Christian and Muslim, North and South,